How to disable link previews on WhatsApp. What's up everyone? In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how to quickly disable the link previews option on WhatsApp. So the first thing you do is open up your WhatsApp app and make sure that you're logged into your account. So what link preview does is if you share any link on your chat, it will show you a preview. Like let's say if I just share a YouTube video, I'm just going to go to youtube.com and select a video here. So let's just select this GTA 6 trailer. I'm going to go just tap on the share option and then copy link. So once you have tapped on the share option and then copy link, you can go back to your chat and then paste the link right here, something like this. And the thing that you see here is your link preview. So if you send this, the link preview will be seen something like this. But if you don't want that, go to settings first, go to privacy, scroll all the way to the bottom and find the advanced settings. There you'll see the disable link previews option. To help protect your IP address from being inferred by third-party websites, preview for the links you share in the chats will no longer be generated. So simply go ahead and toggle this one on. Now if I go back to my chat and try to paste the same thing. So let's just go to this chat right here. What I'm going to do is paste this link, and as you can see, the preview is no longer available like this. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.